This is 7 a.m. Thursday morning. This is what we're waking up to. Amazingly, we still have power and internet. This is absolutely amazing. I'm very impressed. I hear some angry frogs. We're getting a sustained 40, 50 mile an hour wind, and it's gusting up to 70. That's what the news says. We are in a flash flood warning here in Orange County. I-4 is flooded in many areas, so it's not safe to get on the highway. We're riding it out here in the northwest corner of Orange County. And right now, this is the calmest I've seen it in a long time. It'll pick up again. Let me step out just for a second. I'm getting rained on. Just want to see. Oh shit. My tree snapped. Oh, my tree snapped over there. That tree is gone. Oh. I lost a tree. I did lose a tree. It's gonna have to get cut down. We have a yellow tabuya tree. It's a decorative tree. It blooms yellow once a year, and it's gonna have to get cut down. It looks like it snapped in half. So that tree is not gonna make it. That is our first casualty of the storm. The cars look okay. Bronco looks okay. Yaris looks okay. And the cover is still on the Mustang, although it is starting to come off. The American muscle cover was starting to lift off the Mustang. Look at that. Here we go. Put it back on. Let me check the back. Yep, it's starting to come off. There we go. Okay. Otherwise, that car cover is doing very well. Mustang looks good, no broken windshields. Nothing has landed on the vehicles. But you can see a lot of small branches are down against that white wall over there. That tree. You can see my Italian cypress have taken a beating. And this tree is completely snapped. It is completely snapped in half from the top. Well, that's what it's like out here. I'm out here getting soaked to bring you the latest storm footage. So, there you have it. It's bad out here. This must be a calm point right now. I put that bucket there last night just to catch all this stuff dripping from the top, dripping from the gutter. That bucket filled up in about 10 minutes just from what's dripping here. But yeah, it's pretty bad. It is pretty bad. This is 7 a.m. on Thursday morning, and if I still have power and internet, I'll come back out later and show you what it's like. But we've had a whole night of this. This was going on all night. And I cannot wait until it's over. So this is the northwest corner of Orange County. and I'll bring you as much of the action as I can. Wow. Wow. Oh man. Oh my God. I consider us very lucky that we still have power and internet. Hopefully this calms down soon. Wish us luck. Until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.